Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Formerly, it is known as Madras. Chennai is one of the fourth largest cities in India. The place was covered with rich heritage, traditional cultural museums, monuments, temples, churches, mosques, beaches, lakes, and parks, etc. In T Nagar, there are numerous amounts of roadside shopping, markets, and smaller shops and boutiques exist for shopping. You can travel to Government Museum, Marundeshwara Temple, Sandham Church, and ISKCON Temple. Chennai is a gateway and landmark to South India. It is a beautiful city with all natural arrangements. From Chennai, tourists can travel by uh, by parts of India, any parts of India, and also southern states like Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra, Telangana, Pondicherry, Goa, etc. Chennai is nicknamed the Desert of India with more than one-third of India's automobile industry being based in the city. Chennai is also known as major film production center. Chennai is classified into three regions: North Chennai, Central Chennai, and South Chennai. Chennai's famous food are filter coffee, masala dosa, ghee roast idli, sundal, biryani, venpongal, muruk, Mysore pak, meduvade, etc. Chennai is also known for the classical Indian dance Bharatanatyam, which is also of the official dance of the Tamil Nadu. Puratchi Talaivar and the MGR bus terminal is in Coimbatore, Chennai. It has 160 platforms. It has connected with the Chennai Metro MTC. It opened on 2002 by Dr. Jayalalitha. Its previous name was Chennai Mofussil Bus Service. From here, travelers get town buses and intercity buses and also omnibus stand separately. It is Asia's largest bus stand. Then the Chennai International Airport is serving the city of Chennai, Tamil Nadu and its metropolitan area. It is located in Trishoolam, 21 km from the Chennai city center. It opened on 1948, a separate airport for local and domestic flight, but both are nearby within airport campus only. Some same airport but two terminals. The one on the right is Kamarajar Domestic Airport. Left side is in Anna International Airport. Only 250 meters distance between them. Then the seaport Chennai is situated at E. Mandapam Road. Port Trust Chennai is in the Coromandel coast in Southeast India. It has 100 years of tradition. It is the second largest container port of India. There are three docks and 26 berths available here. Then Chennai Central Railway Station has two major railway stations, namely Chennai Central Railway Station and Egmore Railway Station. Chennai Central Railway Station services are daily trains from important cities across India like Bangalore, Mumbai, Delhi, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Ahmedabad, etc. Egmore connects the city to other places across the Tamil Nadu and few major cities. The main places to visit in Chennai are Marina Beach. Marina is the largest beach in India as well as the second largest beach in the world. It is of 30-kilometer length. Second best time to visit a beach is in the early morning and late evening. Fabulous view of sunrise and sunset, silver sands, blue sea, and the lighthouse are the main attraction of the palace. There are a lot of fun activities and ice house, fly kites, horse riding, hot air balloons, shoot balloons, and tasty street food like fresh fish fried. Extra Marina Beach is surrounded by St. George Fort in north and Besant Nagar in the south. Besant Nagar Beach, formerly called as Elliott's Beach. The Elliott's Beach is a very less crowded area when compared with Marina. Both beaches are very famous spots and located within the city limit. Outer to the city, the Kovalang beach is the best place to do a lot of activities like surfing, swimming, fishing, and sightseeing. Mahabalipuram lies on the Coromandel coast along with the East Coast Road. The temple city of Mahabalipuram located at the distance of 56 kilometers from Chennai. It is famous for the dance festival occurs between December and January every year. Lord Vishnu killed the famous demon king Mahabali in this place, so it is called Mahabalipuram. Then the greenery urban parks in the first zoo developed in the India in the year 1855, which named as Arinyar Anna Zoological Park. It is popularly known as Vandalore Zoo. Here visitors can find the 3000 different kinds of flora and fauna with 46 rare kind of animals, birds, reptiles and insects. It is spread over by 1200 acres, which are 32 kilometers away from Chennai city. Lion Safari Park, Deer Park, and Elephant Rides are the more popular attractions of the place. Entry for adults rupees 30, children's 10, camera 25, and camera 150. Then the fun and water world, the amusement park theme of park offers plenty of fun games, water rides, dry rides, rides, eateries and waterfalls. Visitors can enjoy the Chennai at the VGP Universal Kingdom, MGM Disney World and Kishkin theme. Best times to visit time to 6 p.m. VGP Universal Kingdom entry fee 550 for adults and 450 for kids. MGM Disney World entry fee rupees 550 for adults and 450 for kids. Kishkinda theme park entry fees rupees 690 and adults for adults and 450 for kids. World War Kotam is located at Nungambakam Lake area. Is a monument built in honor of the intellectual Tamil poet, philosopher and saint Thiruvalvar. He wrote Thirukural more than 2000 years. Vivekananda House is a historical building devoted to the spiritual teacher Swami Vivekananda. Pulikat is the natural to place situated at the Tamil Nadu border. This is the second largest brackish water lake in India. It is spread over by an area of 750 square kilometer. On the season in the time you can capture birds like ibis, storks, ducks, kingfishers, herons, spoonbills and flamingos. You can enjoy water sports like also. Best time to visit 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Markets and bazaars. Famous and popular markets bazaars in Chennai are Georgetown Market, T Nagar and Burma Bazaar. All the places are filled by many fascinating stalls with extensive discounts. Georgetown is the first area of settlement in Madras in the year 1640. Main attractions here is the people are Ranganatha Street and North Usman Road. The T Nagar, there are number of amounts of roadside shopping. Thousand Lighting Mosque is the located in the Rayapet. Elliott's Beach is the Basant Nagar Beach.